From a daughter who became wild when the police entered the house, to a woman who became agitated after boyfriend kicks her ass out.
I've done nothing wrong. I don't care if y'all kill me.
Stop.
No.
What? No, I'm not. Get out of the car. You're under.
Just put your hand right here.
There's nothing wrong with it.
There's nothing wrong
I'm
with
telling you guys, I did it.
These are the times when entitled Karens think they can't be arrested. On September 24th, 2023, officers were called to a home after receiving a report that a woman had gotten angry and threw a chair during a dispute with her mother.
We need help getting her to the car first. Yeah, we can explain everything right.
Detained for medical stuff? Or?
No, she's under arrest. And then she resisted. Did I not come out?
No, I can't hear either one of you.
Oh. I said, we're in a fight. We're resisting.
I heard all.
Well, it was a little hostile.
We still need to be clear on the radio because I got people doing dumb stuff because we can't hear. Alright, you need to sit up.
You couldn't be clear either in that situation.
Want me to roll her to my side?
No.
Shoe kicks.
Lift her up on her butt. Did she take any of these pills?
No. This,
We cleaned it up.
yeah. Ultimately, she was yelling at Mom. Broke the chair that's out there in the kitchen. Not cooperative by any means. I don't know how we would get her to the car. She's a big girl.
She refuses to walk to the police car, insisting the officers carry her, despite her size making that impractical.
Bring me to the work.
Okay, we will. Can you help us walk out there?
Bring me to the work. Kill me.
Okay, well, I gotta get you out of here to walk out of
Yeah,
here.
okay.
Are you gonna stand up?
No, you guys can carry me.
I can't carry you. You're too
You guys,
big.
6 fucking cops. This has been done before, right here.
Yes, you're a big girl.
I'm gonna sit here until you guys can carry me.
No, you're not gonna be sitting here very long, and we're not gonna. So you know, careful.
Stop.
You're gonna bonk your head. It's gonna hurt. I just wonder if we get fire.
Put a lift assist.
Make
Carry me.
I don't know what else to do.
Well, we're not gonna do that for.
Might issue 666.
Yeah.
Maybe. We just like struggle so well. We gotta put that together.
You like a fat bitch.
You what?
Yeah, you're
I am.
Why are you wanting to be a fat bitch?
I am. It's unfortunate. Do you need criminal damage?
I don't know what the fuck that means. Tell me what the mark.
You walk outside.
I've never heard of anything. I've never been to jail. Tell me more, you piece of shit.
You damaged the chair.
I
You yelled at your mom.
I heard a chair.
Yeah.
I yelled at my mom because she.
The officers consider using a mega mover tarp to drag her out of the house safely.
I got fire coming anyway for the victim and stuff, so I'm gonna steal one of their mega movers. You probably just throw her on one of them and at least drag her out here, and we can figure that out.
She can't fit in the back of one of y'all or not.
She probably could if she was cooperative, honestly. But we're gonna have to like force
That,
her.
my back seemed pretty big.
Is it? Let me look at it.
We're not trying to break you. We're trying to get you to walk outside.
No, you're trying to break it.
Break
her!
Well, if we can get her
We're
to
smart.
Geraldi's
Oh,
car,
break. No, what?
just don't know if I'm able to do that. Just be careful with her arm. Yeah, just be careful with her shoulders, though, guys. It's not a good. Try to get all the way up under the. Here, let me get him there, Ashley.
I'll get this part. You grab that part.
It's not working very well. Just leave it right there for now. We'll just make it over here and we'll figure it out when they. Honestly, what I'm thinking is we'll just go. Just take the whole thing, slide it in, and we'll set her up once she's in there. On the mega mover. The tarp. I think they just pulled up.
The woman continues to scream and resist, making the situation worse for both herself and the officers.
Okay, go ahead, Ash.
Yeah,
You
ready?
grab her foot and take the peek.
Okay, you got it?
2, 3, down the front. Ready? Yep. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Once we get out, go grab that other handle from Manny. Sorry. Slide back and help Manny with that one. I got this. Are you ready? Right around the corner.
Keep falling up.
Whoa, that's one. Stop. Hold on. Alright, hold her up. You shut the door or what? Oh, we need to get her. We can't.
After much struggle, officers managed to secure her into a seat, though she continues to shout obscenities.
Okay, come to me. Come this way. Square your foot up. Okay, push up into the seat. Come on. You gonna work with us? Stop. Stop. Don't. Stop.
Don't you pull me here.
Well, then stop.
Look.
We can be done with this if you just work with us.
Tell your fucking asshole.
You need to get up so we can get you in a seat.
Look at this. It's in my hand. I can't pull it.
Stop. You
Look.
need to sit. If you
It's
can,
right in front of you. It's right in front of you. I can't pull this shit out.
just
I
need to
can't
sit.
see up with
Will
it.
you stop? Stop.
Look.
I don't need to look. I need you to listen.
No, you're pulling my...
Yeah, because you're not listening.
No, look at me.
You need to sit up into the chair. Come on.
You listen to me. Give me!
Hey, leave her line on.
You piece of shit. You're pulling me on this.
Thomas' foot is under her and the other one's on that side.
You're pulling me up. I cannot pull this shit up because you're pulling me up there. You piece of shit. Take it out and pull me fucking up there some more. Now you take this shit out.
Come on. Kick your foot out. Kick both feet out. Okay. Now up. There you go. Now sit up. Push underneath you and sit up.
The woman faced multiple charges, including resisting arrest with physical force, criminal damage, disorderly conduct, domestic violence, and assaulting an officer. As a result of these offenses, she was formally charged and is now awaiting legal proceedings that may result in fines or further penalties, depending on the court's decision. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. That cop telling her she's too big to carry out is my spirit animal. I hope their backs are okay. That was a lot of heavy lifting. The officers need hazard pay for this. Failing to cooperate with law enforcement and escalating a domestic dispute through violence can lead to serious legal consequences. And without keeping everyone waiting too long, we will immediately move on to the second situation.
Down.
No.
Sit down
I'm not
right
touching
now.
you. You're touching me.
You're trying to push your
Get
way
the
in.
back.
Sit.
Officers were called to a house on April 17th, 2022, after receiving a report of a lady who was refusing to leave.
It's not domestic either. Hey, how we doing?
Good.
All right, I need one of you to talk to me. The other one talk to him.
Can I listen to what he's doing?
All right, ma'am, I need you to talk to him.
What's going on?
He's trying to make me leave, and I live here, and he didn't have a problem until just now. He's high, and he's talking about me behind these people, but he's saying that he wants me to leave, but he just said that because I said something to him about talking about me behind my back, and now he's telling me he wants me gone. I'm not going. I live here.
How long have you lived here?
For over a week now. He's known. It's just because he's talking like he's trying to help me. But if you don't want me here, you should tell me that beforehand. Don't wait, and you know, it's petty because he called the cops like that.
Right.
And no, he's not because I live here.
Anyway, I let her stay with me for a few days. Said okay. And anyway, I told the neighbors she's not my girlfriend,
Okay.
and that's what caused all this.
Okay.
And she kept dumping in the fish and bumping her chest into me. So I said, I better call you.
How long has she been here?
3 days.
That's it? 3 days? She get mail here or anything?
No.
She have a key to your house?
Nope.
After approaching the woman, the officer immediately asked both of them what had happened.
All right, stay right here for me, all right?
What was going on today?
Just nothing other than him being a...
So,
It's petty, sir. He called the cops. There was nothing going on here. And so I mentioned something that he said about me behind my back.
what do you
And
say?
he called the cops about that.
So what do you say?
Something about nothing to do with me. And I'm like, I was having nothing to do with you. The neighbors said, where's your girlfriend? He's not my boyfriend. And he said to me like that, like, I'm not supposed to be here. Like, he don't. And he said, well, you can go because I heard he said he didn't know I was here. He thought I had left, to go somewhere else, whatever. And he went off about that. That's childish. No, I haven't done anything wrong. I'm not going anywhere.
All right, talk to me.
I haven't touched anything. I haven't broken any laws.
He's gonna be the primary officer.
See, you need to tell me your story.
I just told him. I'm not doing it.
He's gonna be the primary one.
I did nothing wrong.
How long have you been
For
here?
5 minutes. No.
How long have you stayed here? No, stop.
So I have done nothing wrong. Why is everybody handling me? This motherfucker over here shot off
You need to talk to me.
3 shotguns the other day, a man over here.
Okay, that's not what I'm
That's
here
very
for.
stressful,
That's not what I'm
sir.
here for. I need
And this man is up saying that he don't want me here. But he didn't have a problem.
How long have you stayed here?
Over 3 weeks.
Over 3 weeks. He says 3 days.
I don't care what he says.
You told me 1 week.
He's lying.
Okay, so you just changed your
No,
story
I
on
just
him.
been back a week, but I was here before that.
Okay.
All my stuff's here. I have toothbrush here. I have belongings here. I have paperwork here.
Okay, what kind of
I'm
paper?
not going anywhere.
What kind of paperwork do you
This
have
man over here shot a gun off 3 times and did not go to jail.
All right, you're yelling at me and it's not going to solve anything.
I don't
so
care. I'm
you're
yelling.
talking
I'm
to
not
me.
shooting the gun. I'm talking. I
I'm not even-
got freedom to speak,
Yep, you do.
and that's what I'm doing, defending myself. I'm not blowing anybody's
Do you have
goddamn
something
brain.
that shows that you live here?
I don't have nothing because I ain't got it from him yet,
Okay, so if
and
you
I'm
don't
not
have
dealing
anything-
with lies.
If you don't have anything that shows you
No.
live here,
He has to evict me.
no, he doesn't.
Yes, he does.
No, he doesn't.
I'm going in to get my
you're not.
stuff, and I'll go.
Okay, you stop.
I don't have a gun. Don't manhandle me.
I'm not
I'm going in to get my
manhandling you.
stuff. Don't touch me.
Don't walk past me.
I'm not touching you. I'm going in
What-
to get my stuff.
what do you have
It's in this man's house. Or,
What do you have here?
Where's the gun that man pointed off?
Stop putting
That
my
y'all
face.
didn't care. That man is not even in jail. And y'all trying
I'm not
to
even here for
manhandle
that. We're
me
here for a different
because I'm a
story.
woman. Manhandle a man over there with a gun that didn't go to jail for shooting off 3 times. And a bullet don't have straight guns.
We're talking about right now.
A bullet don't have any names on it.
We're talking about right now.
That man is not being bothered with.
We're talking about
I'm
right now.
not going anywhere. I'm sitting my right here.
The woman attempted to break into the house to retrieve her belongings, but the officer intervened just in time to stop her.
So, please don't hurt me. Don't touch me.
Go sit back
I
down.
want to go inside and
You're
get my
not
stuff
going.
and leave.
He's gonna go.
Because this man over, no, I don't need him to, I'm not going. I'm not going. I'll give you a reason to tell me.
Sit
I
down.
won't. Don't.
Sit
Look
down.
it. No, don't
Sit
touch
down.
me. No.
Sit down
I'm not
right
touching
now.
you. You're touching me.
You're trying to push your
Get
way
the
in.
f- back
Sit
from me.
down.
No. I'm not touching you. You're in my space. Let me get my camera on you.
I got it. It's all
Why
recorded.
don't you go in there?
It is all recorded.
Okay, did you get the paperwork?
That's what I'm working on, but you're out here trying,
I'm not
you're trying
going
to argue
anywhere.
with him, so.
No, I'm not. I'm trying to go in.
Exactly, you're arguing.
Why don't you get the goddamn man with the gun that shot off the other day? Y'all are stupid.
Okay, that's okay. Great.
Keep laughing. Let's go in to the bathroom.
Not going in.
Why are you manhandling me?
Because you're trying to push past us.
I haven't touched you.
Really?
You came to where I live. I didn't bother you.
You're not going in the house.
No, I'm not going out the house. I'm sitting right here. As long as I'm not in that goddamn house.
That's not true.
Yes, it is true.
It's not true. You're on the property.
Well, I don't give a. I don't have a van. I don't have a property van. What are y'all talking
I
about?
didn't see you that property ban. You.
The woman still refused to give up and tried to sneak around to the back in an attempt to break in through the back door.
Can I show you what means that a problem with me being here now? Can I show you right here? Nope. Why?
Can't go in the house.
You're crazy, sir. I have not done anything. I swear I wouldn't hurt nobody. Why are y'all doing this to me? This man right here, I was in here back here working the other day. I've done nothing wrong. I don't care if y'all killed me.
Stop.
No, this is fucking right.
Stop.
Stop! Stop touching me! Don't fucking touch me! There's glass here. You don't fucking know what I've been through. Don't touch me.
Hey, you're going to get.
Why are you touching me, sir? I'm not
You're trying to push
touching
past
you.
us.
I live here.
You don't.
You don't either. Why are you here? You don't know nothing. Leave me alone. Please, that's all I want. And nobody does. Y'all are bothering me. I'm not bothering y'all. Is that y'all's job? Is it? Really? And see, y'all won't talk to me. Y'all won't listen to him. Y'all won't even listen to me. Why? And y'all wonder why I'm getting mad. Y'all, these people know what happened. They asked him where I was. And I got upset because he said something about me. And that's why he wanted me to leave. Ask them. Please, they're witnesses. Can you ask them? Can you just please tell them?
I'm about to go talk to them.
Please.
Hey,
I'm not causing problems with y'all.
I'm about
It's
to go. I'm
him.
about to talk to them.
I swear to God.
I really didn't do that.
No, I didn't. He called the cops. For no reason.
Hey, there's glass here.
Sorry, sir. I'm not. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Just sit down and calm
I
down.
swear,
for me.
though, it's not
Just Sit down
right.
and calm down. You're screaming at me and trying to push past me.
Because I'm upset, man.
I'm trying to help
I'm sick
you,
of people
but-
lying, and they're fucking steady, man. That man over there blew a woman's brains out the other day, and this man's calling the cops on me, and y'all trying to jump on me. I'm a woman.
I'm not trying to jump on anybody.
Yes, y'all are.
I'm trying to
Both of
talk
y'all
to you.
together.
No, I'm trying to talk to you, but you're not
You
letting
ain't
me talk.
talking to me. You talking to him. Is
I've
this
been-
a man?
I've been
Fuck
with you.
him. You ain't even seen his proof.
I've been with you the whole time.
I don't care. You have not. You just got here. You don't even know how long I've been here.
I meant
You
today.
don't know nothing but what he told you. You're not listening to me. Why wouldn't I be
You're
mad?
yelling at me. You won't
I don't
talk.
lie.
Then talk to me. Don't yell.
I'm sorry, but I'm sick of
Talking, don't yell. I'll
I'm
listen.
upset.
A lot
I'm
better.
sorry. I'm not a bad person.
I didn't
I'm
say you're a
upset
bad
of
person.
people lying and saying about me just not true.
The biggest mistake of this Karen is refusing to comply with the officer's warnings, which ultimately led to her arrest.
And say I took something wrong.
Okay, get your stuff and let's go.
I just don't want nothing in my bag.
It's time to go.
No.
This is the last time
I want my phone.
It's time to go.
I want my phone.
It's time to go.
Drew, bring me my phone, please. That's the least you can do. I'm not. I'm going, but I need my phone, please. Or I can't talk to nobody nothing. Wait. Bring my phone. I just got it.
Let's go. Stop yelling. Let's go.
I don't know.
Let's go. Let's go.
You're lying.
Let's go.
I'll go right on the street. I'll just drop it.
Let's go.
Y'all suck. What's the problem? The big fat. I'm right here off the top.
You need to continue to go.
No. I want my phone. I'm off this property.
You need to continue
If
to go, or
they
we're gonna
no.
listen.
No.
Okay.
I'm going. I'm going.
Put it handcuff.
I'm going. You're going to come up.
No, that's it. Nope.
No.
We gave you ample
I
amount
want
of
my phone.
time.
I haven't done anything. I'll stop. I'll stop now. Please, I'm very upset.
Listen.
I'm sorry.
Listen. We gave you ample amount of time. Okay.
I promise I'm going
We gave you
now.
ample amount of
Don't
time.
do this to me. Okay, I'm not fighting. God damn, what did I do? What are y'all talking to me with?
We just gave
No.
you so many chances.
I just want my phone, sir.
Now you want your phone.
Wait, I wanted my phone.
You told us to do this, do that.
Please, I promise.
Now it's time to go.
No!
Quit moving.
Please! Why did you do this? Why? Why? I didn't do anything. Please, I will go. I swear I'll go.
Stand up. Come on.
No.
I got your arm. Stand up.
No.
I'm trying to help you here.
No.
You gotta sit
Somebody's trying to help me. You're hurting me, man. Dude, why did you do this? I haven't done anything, man. Y'all,
Have a seat.
please don't do this, sir. Please.
Have a seat.
If don't let me go to jail, I'll go. Can't you just understand why I'm upset?
Yes, I understand why you're upset.
Don't take me to jail.
I'm gonna turn the air conditioner up for you.
Please.
Hey, quit. Quit.
This Karen was charged for attempting unlawful entry and ignoring police directives. Her refusal to comply resulted in an arrest, and she now faces potential fines or further legal consequences pending court proceedings. With such a crazy situation, the comments that followed after the video was released are also noteworthy. He told the neighbors that Toothless Metheny is not his girlfriend and she had a meltdown. I love how both black neighbors were sitting back quietly watching the show. They were more than patient with Metheny. When dealing with law enforcement, refusing to follow lawful orders can quickly escalate a situation and lead to arrest. What a stubborn Karen, right? Stay tuned because the next Karen reacts even more aggressively.
Just put your hand right here.
On August 9th, 2024, police were called to a domestic incident involving a woman accused of damaging property belonging to a family member.
What's going on? So who hurt? She hurt herself? How? Wait. Where she hurt at? I'm saying, oh, she knocked the windows out that truck too? Where she hurt at? Where you hurt at? I'm saying
They won't give me no money. They ain't taking care of me.
Who hurt?
She bust my window, but I felt some blood, Alan, but I couldn't see the mirror. She bust my window and all the glass came in my face.
So, she bust the window in the glass here.
I came all in my face right here in the
She
room.
bust the window in the house too.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, yeah, I'm 10 for it. Yeah, you go ahead and send EMS in. You got one smell.
I told her I couldn't tell because I ain't seen no mirror.
She's saying when the glass cracked, it
And go
might
back
have hit her in
down,
the
I'm
face. But 50 phone anybody having any signatures right now.
You ain't got no money.
Right.
They ain't got no. They got
All
money,
right,
but they
just
wouldn't
come
help
on,
me.
come on. Who is that?
She threw a shelf over there by those people's house over where she busted up out.
Hey, so who? Come on, you come over, you man. Who truck this is?
That's my truck.
You did it.
He just don't want you to touch it. That's your.
All right, 12 by 228.
Came down here with the shovel and threw it at my
The fight broke out immediately, and the police intervened promptly afterward.
Look out, look, hey, man,
No, leave that girl alone.
Come on.
Talk to me, asshole.
Hey. Just put your hand right here.
We got the
Y'all
shovel.
fall over here.
I don't give a fuck.
I know you don't.
Hey, man, can you just go back down that way?
Get my purse, sir. Uncle. Uncle. Get my purse right there, sir. Let me get my purse.
It's gonna
Look.
be 8,
My
2,
purse.
6,
My purse.
Romeo, November Golf.
My purse.
What is your problem, man?
Cause they neglecting me.
Kilo, Uniform Delta, Hotel 91.
They got me.
Listen, man. I don't know what your problem is.
The problem is they playing with me.
No, it sounds like you playing
No,
with
they playing with me. I don't give a what you talking about. You know me. Push that cycle. Play what you act like. You know damn well you know me acting like I got a problem. Man, you in the judge. Oh, thank you. I busted. And go do your research and your evidence. Why I did. I'm not playing with my life.
After being handcuffed, the woman claimed she pays bills and was pushed to the edge.
I asked her for some money.
She stay here with you?
Yes, that's my rule. You know damn well I stay here.
Yeah, listen.
Y'all been coming here for years.
Yeah, listen, man.
You must be working with her. You must be working with that stank ass.
Listen.
Why you not talking shit?
Why you?
I asked her for some money.
But you didn't have to knock all
You
the
know
windows
why?
out.
Because I'm struggling. And
Check it out.
they spend money.
But it's their money.
It don't matter. I take care of them too. I'm the one paying bills.
So
I'm the one paying bills in that.
So basically, you knocked the window out because
that too, because they talking shit inside. He hit me with a. You remember? You came by. He hit me with that stick. They was in there, they in there doing some shit. Was saying, now press charges, and I'ma bring every evidence up. All that room in my room, sir, I ain't got number evidence bitch, on your pussy ass family. Fake. Bitch. I don't give a f about y'all.
Hey, this your purse, right?
Yeah, that's why I got it. I told you to get it. That's why I grabbed it.
Okay, lift your foot up. All right. Listen, I'm gonna need you to calm down for a minute.
I'm being calm. I'm calm.
No, you're not calm.
I'm calm. I want calm because I'm
Cause
asking
you
them.
ran over there like
I'm
you
asking.
wanna fight.
God, go there. I every bitch on this street, and they ain't got no money. And then they the one neglecting me. Oh, puss ass. I every bitch on this street but them. I've been raised here all my life. They sat here and grow while I'm go out. You hoe.
Listen, I need you to be quiet. Okay, relax. All right.
Why I bust them bitches windows?
All right.
Cause he didn't want to hit my daughter. He didn't want to hit my daughter.
All right. Hey, you got.
He didn't want to hit my daughter.
You got
all my evidence in my room. They gonna vandalize that.
Hey, listen.
Talking ass bitch.
Can you be quiet for a minute, please?
Why you want me to hush when I'm trying to give you the evidence? What's the day's date? What's the time? I don't give a f about that judge. What judge y'all I got to see today? Cause the judge, Miss Burke and Sarah ain't back.
The woman denies intentionally hurting anyone, stating she just wanted to break the windows out of frustration.
Try you out here like that. You remember me? I'm tired. I'm fed up. I'm fed up with I'm fed up with Palm Beach County. I'm fed up with the judge. I'm fed up with the sheriff office, and I'm definitely fed up with them. Because if I would have never went through this, if they wouldn't have neglected me, and y'all neglected me too, and took my child. You see my child picture on that wall? Y'all do got something to do with it. Yo, Ty, you do. Y'all trying to cover y'all ass. Y'all put me through this. Yo, judges, Sarah and Burke, y'all with the bullshit. I f every bitch out here, but them. I f go over here too. I asked them for some money, he ain't got no money. I asked them for some money, they ain't got no money, but they rolling around. I gotta come out here to get what I f***ing want. I'm on Social Security and all. They ain't nobody doing shit for me. I'm tired of you f***. Oh, fake, nasty, unprofessional after games. Tired of you. I'm too pressure up. I got too much pressure. I'm tired of them bitches doing me like that.
Where'd you get her?
I ain't nobody get her. I just bust the windows because I got fed up. I'm pressure. I'm pressure because I got to walk out here every day while they ride all fucking day and talk shit to me. I'm tired of you fucking, man. I'm too pressure. They done took my fucking child. They the one got something to do with it. They done hit my fucking daughter. She in Temple struggling. They the one got something to do with it. Go over there right there. Him, he ain't got. I went down there and asked him for some money. He ain't got no money. I went down there to Wolf family with Antoinette Kelly. They ain't got no fucking money. Cause they ain't got no money. The judge ain't got no money, and she the one doing that shit. Y'all ain't got no money, but y'all the one keep doing me like this. Man, Palm Beach County.
For her? I believe it was for her.
Ain't nobody got hurt. I just bust the window, let that glass hit her. I see blood right there, but I ain't hit her, I hit the glass.
After gathering information from the witnesses, the police then detained the woman, took photos of her arms, and confirmed she's not injured.
So she witnessed that, and then apparently she came up here with the shovel. Mr. Govin saying he wasn't threatened by her with the shovel, but she threw the shovel, and he has it locked up in his car right now.
Oh, it's not locked up. It's unlocked.
No, I mean it's secure. The shovel's secure.
Yeah.
Oh, so who put it in there, Mr.? You did, sir?
Yeah, she spit in my face and everything, so I went to go tell the officer, hey, something else happened down here.
I'm gonna grab my phone real quick, take some pictures, so don't go anywhere.
I'm not going anywhere. I was sitting right in the front of the Cadillac, and she came at me. After she had thrown the shovel, she doubled back and she was standing on the sidewalk and she threw it here. My Uncle Rome was about right here. And she was on the sidewalk a little past Uncle Rome, and she threw it towards the Cadillac, picked it up, and then came back and threw it towards this way. So.
Step out here for us.
Come on out, Latonia. We're just gonna take some pictures.
Thank you, I'm glad you let me know.
Come on out.
All
right. That's good. You just face me. All right, face that way. Face the car. You can just keep facing the car. There you go. And face face Corporal there. There you go. All right, face me again. Are you injured?
I don't want to bust it because it's a cause.
All right. And let me see just your arms. Turn around. Let me get your other arm. There we go. And just open your hands. Thank you very much.
The woman was charged with misdemeanor vandalism and ordered to pay a $1,000 fine along with restitution for the damaged property. In addition, she received a citation to appear in court, where further penalties such as probation could be determined based on the case outcome. This is indeed a chaotic situation, isn't it? Let's examine what viewers have commented on after the video was circulated. A grown woman sitting on the street saying they won't give me no money. Whatever happened to getting a job? Nothing but trash. Attempted strong arm robbery on grandma. This case has shown us that letting emotions take over in heated moments can lead to legal trouble and financial penalties. This Karen is already a mess, so what about the next one? Let's keep watching.
No, I'm not. Get out of the car.
On November 22nd, 2024, the Pullman Police Department got many reports about a probable wrong-way driver who almost hit other drivers.
Hi, what happened?
So this hitchhiker, this black guy, TJ, TJ Hugger, I don't know his name, was riding in my back seat and he broke my steering wheel and nothing happened. I'm just getting ready to go. Bye.
And he what? He broke your steering wheel, you said?
Nothing happened.
Okay. Well, what happened with you being on the curb here?
Oh, nothing.
This is it.
I was just reversed. I'm parked. I'm good.
Okay.
Okay, bye.
No, we're not done yet. Thank. Nope. Nope. Out of the car.
Go ahead.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest for DUI.
No, I'm not.
Get out of the car. You're under arrest. Out of the car. You're under arrest for DUI. Get out of the car.
What do you got?
DUI.
Okay, ma'am, step out of the car. Is it in park?
It was, yeah.
Shut it off. Shut it off.
How?
After a brief struggle, the officer was finally able to pull the woman out of the vehicle.
Look at my kicker again. My shifter's broken.
Yeah. Can you turn it off?
I'm not drunk. I'm totally sober, 100%.
What's going on?
My kicker. That guy took my. Something's broke.
Okay. Can you put it in park?
Yeah, it's parked.
Okay. Just get out then, please. Get out of the car for me.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you get out of the car for me? I need you out of the car. Step out of the car. Do it now.
No.
I'm gonna pull you out
What
of the
are
car.
you gonna do?
I'm gonna pull you out of the car.
Okay.
Do you want force to be used upon you?
Did you want to touch me?
Yes, please
Do
get
you know
out.
who I am?
No, I don't know who you are.
Okay,
I'm Sergeant Gordon with the Pullman Police Department.
Where?
Step out of the car. Pullman Police Department. Bree,
Yep.
grab her right hand for me. Oh, come on this side. This side. This side. Help me extract her. Get out of the car.
What am I? Are you arresting me?
Yes.
For what? For what? Do I have a warrant?
No.
You're under the influence.
No, I am not. I am sober. That's not a vehicle.
Yeah.
What's your name? What's your name? My name's Officer Westman, Pullman Police Department. What's your name?
Right there.
The festival is not your name.
No, it's not.
Okay, ma'am. So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can hold these against you in criminal law.
Okay,
You have the
Pullman.
right to an attorney. If you can on a 401 will be appointed for you without
Okay.
cost if you so desire. You can exercise these rights at any time and have an attorney present before and during any questioning.
My name is Iris
You are
Taylor.
being audio and video recorded.
The officer questioned the woman about what had happened and then read her rights.
I'm not sure where I'm at.
Okay. Have you been using drugs tonight?
No,
Okay. Are there any drugs or narcotics in the car?
I would not know.
Okay. Whose car is it?
It was my car, but it was recently stolen and then recovered.
How'd you get here?
I was operating the vehicle along the way from Moscow,
Okay.
Idaho.
Did you get in any car accidents?
No.
Gotcha. When's the last time you used?
Never.
Any other stimulants? Because your pupils are really, really big, ma'am.
No.
Okay. Would you be willing to do some voluntary field sobriety tests?
Iris Taylor.
Okay. Will you want to step back here real quick?
Sure.
Talk with Officer Carpenter?
Well, Iris, would you be willing to take some voluntary field sobriety tests?
No, I'd rather you just take me What are we concerned about?
That you're under the influence.
Did I stop you a little while ago in town, Iris? What is this? About a month ago.
It was there when I...
Is this your stuff?
No. No.
Is there anyone else in your car?
Anything you say can be used against me.
Yes, ma'am. That's correct.
You told me there was somebody in your car that hopped out. You said you were driving and he hopped out.
Yes, there was.
Okay.
I'm just going to advise you of your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to the attorney and have one present with you while being questioned. You can afford to hire an attorney while going to represent you before question if you wish. You can decide to exercise these rights at any of these times, not make any statements, and not answering my questions. You understand your rights, Iris? Where's your driver's license at?
She was detained on suspicion of driving under the influence, DUI, and taken to the Pullman Police Holding Facility.
Okay. All right in the back of this one. We're gonna go on the passenger side here. Okay, we're gonna get in the back seat here.
There's another.
Okay, go ahead and have a seat.
Go along that way. It wraps around the building and exits out. Yeah.
You are being audio and video recorded. It is 5:22 hours on Friday, November 22nd. You're being audio and video recorded in the vehicle as well. So
You can't get a blood warrant.
she was out of the car when I got here. I could smell alcohol on her, and then she torpedoed back into... Huh?
You guys smell?
I didn't smell anything.
I smelled it because she was like right in my face when I got here. And then she goes, bye, and goes to get in the car and drive, which is how we ended up where we were. And there's alcohol in the car.
Yeah, I saw some of the bottles. Yeah, let's, all right. You got odor, we'll take her down and...
And I never get odor. It has to be really bad for me to get it.
I mean, I have a cold, so I can't smell
She said there was a passenger in the car, a black male, that did something to her steering wheel, and that's why her key's broken off in it. So I believe that because another witness said it too, but...
Okay, will you check out some witnesses?
Yeah, I'll make some phone calls.
And we'll... Yeah, we'll... Alright. She's on something.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
Her people's are... Yeah, you might call Heidi, we'll do an eval or two. Okay, I'll work on that, and then we'll get...
Then we work on a tow, and then
Yeah.
while I'm waiting on that, I'll make phone calls about the witnesses.
Yeah.
As Officer Carpenter was finishing the paperwork, the woman fell from the brown chair.
I didn't read them to you.
I've chosen to remain silent.
I understand that, but I still can ask you procedural questions. I just can't ask you anything about the crime. Okay, so I'm going to ask you procedural questions. I'm not going to ask you anything about what happened in the car. Because if I can't ask you procedural questions, that just prolongs this process. Right, the longer you hold out, because I still have to ask these. These are not optional questions. Or we can just go straight to the county jail, and you can come down off of whatever drug you're on there, which is going to be particularly uncomfortable. Permit or privilege to drive is suspended, revoked, or denied. You may be eligible to immediately apply for an ignition interlock driver's license. You have the right to additional tests administered by any qualified person of your own choosing. You okay? You need some help standing up? Here, if you fold your knees under, I'll help you stand up. If you just fold that knee up. Otherwise, you can stay there. Katrina, I'm happy to help you sit back up. If you want. You just gotta help me. I don't want to yank you by your shoulders. Yeah, just bend that knee. There you go. Okay, ready? Oh, nope, not like that. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Katrina. Come on. Come on. Come on. Katrina, let me help you stand back up, okay? Katrina. Sit back up. Let me help you. Come on. Up. Hey, I know you're fine because you're fighting against me when I'm trying to help you sit up. Here. Do you need to go in the restraint chair, Katrina? Because that's not ideal either.
The woman remained on the floor before being transported to the hospital.
Coleman 458. Can I get medics in holding? We'll just have them stop by and look at you. You're talking to me and, well, kinda. You're communicating with me. Looking at me and nodding yes or no and fighting against me when I try to sit you up. So I know you're okay, but you might as well just have somebody come look at you. Alright, Katrina, the medics are here. Sounds like they're gonna take a look at you.
The woman was fined $1,500 for driving under the influence and $750 for resisting arrest. In addition to the monetary penalties, she was also ordered to attend a mandatory DUI education program and had her driver's license suspended for 6 months. After the video was posted on the internet, people shared their thoughts in some comments. Scary to think someone like this was driving a hunk of metal weighing thousands of pounds down the road. Very, very hard to believe she IS only 45. I have a feeling that this person has played this game many times before. Driving under the influence can lead to serious consequences, not just for safety, but legally and financially. Do you believe this Karen was overreacting? After you see the next case, you may want to think twice. It's shocking.
There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm telling you guys, I did it. Literally, I'm telling you. Please.
On November 4th, 2024, Officer Temperado of the University of Central Florida, UCF police noticed a vehicle moving with only 3 tires.
Hey, I'm Officer Temperado, UCF Police Department. Everything okay?
Yeah.
All right. Where are you coming from tonight?
I'm coming from the school. I literally just came from a study session. I failed my exam, so I'm not having a really good day today.
Okay. All right. Do you have your license on you by any chance? And do me a favor, can you turn the car off for me? Thank you so much. Yep, just put it on top of the roof for me. Thanks, you're good. Thank you. And can you hand me your registration and proof of insurance? Reason for the stop is your tire's out. Are you aware of that?
My tire's out?
Yeah, your tire is not, it's out, it's popped.
Yeah, I was trying to go to the Wawa over there. I literally just got these first 2. I was showing the receipt. I got the first 2 for replacement, but this car right now, I literally just got it, so really, I don't know what's going on with the tires.
Hey, how do you say your first name, ma'am?
My name is Starlene.
Starlene, are you okay?
Yeah.
Do you need medical attention at all right now?
I don't need medical attention. I'm just really having a bad day. The only reason why I'm having a bad day is because I literally got confirmation that I failed my exam, and then also the tire. I just got the tire confirmation on my thing. It's like, oh, okay, oh well.
Okay.
Life is going. I don't know. It's not that life is going bad, but I mean, for me right now, life is just what it is.
Okay, Starlene. All right, go ahead and anything in the vehicle I need to be made aware of? Do you have any guns?
No.
Knives?
No, I do not have any guns. I mean, I do have excessive paperwork.
That I'm not worried about. Any drugs in the vehicle?
No, there's no drugs in the vehicle.
Okay. All right, just go ahead and stand by with this officer. Keep looking for those documents. I'll be right back with you, all right?
The officer questions her about missing registration documents, which Starlene claims she hasn't received yet, despite having bought the car less than a month ago.
So, I'll tell you what I'm seeing, right? Is right now your car's leaned to the side. You've been driving, at least on the metal rims, for a while. Did you vomit on your shirt a little bit or spit?
No. I did spit on my shirt on a bit, The only reason why I spit on my shirt was because literally I didn't want to sprint. I didn't want to spit on my car. The reason why I didn't want to spit on my car was because I literally thought I literally drunk from my water bottle. But
Okay.
It wasn't my water bottle. It was literally a water bottle that was stuck in my car for like literally like 2 days, and it was like hot as so then like literally had to spit it out. But I was like in the middle of the road, so I couldn't spit it out. So that's what
You spit it down, sure. All right.
Hey, Starline, were you able to find those other two things that I asked for? Can you hand them to me? I don't want to go and rifle through all of your.
asked for my insurance and my registration, right?
Yep.
So this should be my registration. I think when I went to the CarMax things, they said that this was like, I just got this car, so I apologize if it's not, I don't know what would qualify as my registration, but I know that they said that, oh, would be like my registration, and then I have like my actual insurance information. So
Okay.
I don't know what exactly that you guys need from them, but I have all the information. But they said that this exact folder is what you guys would need to prove that the vehicle is mine and that it's not stolen and such like that.
Okay, but
don't know
I
what-
need those two documents themselves because I have to look at them.
So that's why I'm asking. I don't know. So either like would you have to take all this thing?
We only need the one document that says vehicle registration in the top left corner.
We don't need you to call your mom. I just need you to find those two documents right now.
See, that's the thing. I just got this car, so I'm not understanding which document that you guys
Okay,
need.
so real quick,
So I have like
quick, how old are you?
I'm 24.
You're 24.
I just turned 24.
How long ago did you buy this car?
I just bought this car less than like barely 30 months ago.
30 months ago.
30 months ago, you said.
No,
okay.
not 30 months, 30 days ago.
30 days ago. So
yeah.
you've had this car for a month. At some point, you've put a license plate on it and it had the yellow sticker, right? So you don't have the vehicle registration in that document, right? I've looked through all your documents. You don't have it there. You normally have the vehicle registration on another side, and sometimes people have insurances on their app or on their phone. But because you are an adult, right, and you just purchased this car, you should know where your documents are. It seems like you have them lost, right? But I think we're more concerned about what's going on with your...
The officer notices signs of possible intoxication and asks Starling to step out for further checks.
There's nothing wrong with it.
There's nothing wrong with
telling
that.
you guys, I did it. Literally, I'm telling you. Please
Starling.
listen to me, please.
I'm listening to you, Starling.
Listen to
Okay.
me. I'm telling you. I don't know where that I don't know what you guys are talking about.
Okay.
I lived in Sanford, and then I moved because I'm literally going to a graduate study at UCF, and I stay in Apopka.
Okay.
My address in Apopka, and if you look at my ID, you will see that it's in Apopka.
Okay.
I'm not lying to you guys. I'm really
Okay.
trying. I'm trying. So it's like. I'm not.
You're right. Listen, take a breath. I understand. Here's what I have you do. All right. I want to make sure that you're okay. Can you step out of the car? We're gonna just stand. We're gonna sit over here.
I'm okay. It's not about being okay.
Can you identify us, please?
I don't think you're okay. Right?
Starling, we
I'm
want to
worried
make sure
for
that
you.
you're okay. We're
No,
worried.
I'm okay, but you guys are literally not listening to what I'm saying.
So what are we not listening to?
You're not listening. I'm telling you, I feel like you guys think I'm lying. You guys think I'm lying is that you guys think like, I don't know, this car is stolen or some whatever. This car is not stolen.
And you
this
know,
car
I
is
believe you because
purchased.
I
It's
checked.
bought
It's not
by
stolen.
me.
Your car is not stolen. We checked that already. We already
So
checked
I
it.
don't understand what's going on.
So now we need to make sure that you're okay.
Officers stated they smelled alcohol emanating from the vehicle, so the lady was requested to exit and undergo field sobriety tests.
Literally, that's what happened.
Okay. Based off of everything right now, I want to make sure you're okay to drive. Okay. You have bloodshot, watery eyes. You are in a very heightened emotional state right now. You are slurring your speech because of it. I can smell the odor of an unknown alcoholic impurity emanating from the vehicle. Okay. I'm going to ask you to step out of the vehicle so I can make sure that you're okay to drive. Is that something you're willing to do? Okay.
Is it okay if I put my foot?
You're okay.
I prefer you to.
Because I also put my foot on the other side. So.
All right, so what we're going to do is I'm going to have you stand right here. All right? Do you want to do them all over there?
I would prefer if we cross, but you're going to give me a second.
Okay. We're just going to stay right here. We're going to make sure it's clear before we cross the road, okay? I don't want you to...
After performing sobriety tests, the woman was arrested for DUI and was transported to the station for processing.
Tip of his pen where the eyes, where the
See where my finger
meets.
is?
Do not stop looking at it. I see you're looking at different directions sometimes, and that's why it's a little hard to see when it's going side to side. Right?
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Don't move your head.
Don't move your head, just your eyes.
See, there you looked at the corner without looking at the eye.
Okay. So do you understand? I want you to follow this, the tip of my pen, with your eyes and your eyes only. Because when I move it to one direction, your eyes go to the completely opposite direction. Okay? Is everything okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just want to make sure. All right, so we're going to do this again, all right?
Right there. You can see more. I want to illuminate this as much as possible. Officer Temporada, wherever you stand, as long as you stand relatively nearby, just in case.
Yep. Right. Oh, go ahead and get in the position. Remember, I told you not to move until I told you to start, so...
Oh, well, I don't know how far you guys want me to start in the line, so...
Right at the front is fine.
Okay.
Okay. You may begin.
Count out loud.
Count out loud.
1,
Looking down at your feet.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Step softly.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Alright, we're going to pause right here. This officer told you to take 9 heel to toe.
Count out loud.
1.
Looking at your foot.
Oh, 1. What do I have to say? Millisecond? 1 millisecond, 2 millisecond, 3 millisecond,
Space for balancing.
4 millisecond, 5 millisecond, 4 millisecond, 6 millisecond, 7 millisecond, 8 millisecond, 9 millisecond, 10 millisecond, 11 millisecond, 12 millisecond, 13 millisecond, 14 millisecond, 15 millisecond, 16 millisecond.
You can relax.
All right. Go ahead. Raise your hands for me. You want to tell her?
I got it. Just tighten it. Delta 26 University. Can you show one black female secured? Hey, so this is what we're going to explain, right? Right now, Officer Temporada has found probable cause to believe that you're operating a vehicle while under the influence of alcohol, chemical, or controlled substance. So you are being arrested for DUI right now, right?
I'm not, though.
Okay. Well, I'm going to search you, right? We're going to be going down to the DUI center where we're going to be doing a breath test for the purposes of determining your blood alcohol content. But before you go in the car, you do need to be searched. All right? So I'm going to start here. I'll make my way around. Right. We're going to step off just a little bit from me. Oops.
Oh, sorry.
You're good. You're good.
You're okay. No more switch.
Yep. Okay, switch. Alright, do me a favor, wind your stance for me. Thank you. What are you sorry for?
I just don't want to go.
Look at me. You're good. Look at me real quick. Look at me. Open your mouth. Okay, cool. It's just to make sure you have nothing in your mouth, okay?
I don't have anything. I don't have anything.
I gotta grab something, so can you pull me to the front real quick? So I
Nope,
can move
we're gonna actually... Where are we grabbing?
No, I have to grab the shit that's in there.
So, I got you. Here's what's gonna happen with your car, right?
You got her?
Yep, I got it. So here's what's happening with your car, right? Your car can't move at all. It's missing a tire entirely. So your car's gonna get towed. We're gonna put all the information for you so that you or your mom can pick up your car afterwards, okay?
I don't have a mom.
No?
I'm all by myself.
You're by yourself. So once you get out of jail, when you have your paperwork, you can grab your car.
The woman was charged with driving under the influence and operating an unsafe vehicle. As a result, she faced legal penalties, including fines and a possible suspension of her driver's license. Additionally, she may be required to attend a mandatory DUI education program. Many people commented on this circumstance and the girl's reaction in the published video. How do you not feel through your steering wheel that you've lost a front tire? This is wild to me. It is abundantly clear why she is not graduating. What kind of weed? LOL, what an idiot question. This highlights the importance of staying sober and maintaining vehicle safety, as the penalties include fines, license suspension, and mandatory DUI education. After you see the next case, you may want to think twice. It's shocking.
She wouldn't give me a toilet. She ain't giving me a toilet.
Okay. She said...
It's her.
Listen to me.
It's her.
Officers were called to a property on November 23, 2023, after receiving a report of an inebriated lady who was threatening the landlord and disturbing neighbors by refusing to leave an apartment complex.
The lady from last night.
Yep.
Well, she's been drinking today, and she came over, and I asked her to leave a couple of times. So I don't know if you met her last night. If you think I'm hot,
she's
way
extra.
more, you know?
She's extra.
So she wouldn't leave. She wouldn't leave. Then I have a gentleman here who's married, and
Yep.
she kept hugging him, and he was like, you know, stay away from me. And she just keeps doing the same thing. And then finally, I asked her to leave again, and she got in my face. Like, we all thought she was gonna hit me.
Yeah.
I thought she was gonna hit me. I'm like, just leave it. She'll you. And I'm like, come on. I mean, there's a whole lot of kids here. Just stop that. And she just kept coming into my apartment and saying stuff about my kid.
Okay.
So I told her to please remove herself, and she told me she wouldn't. So I told her, remove yourself in the next hour out of my place, or I'm gonna have the officers come deal with you.
Well, her car doesn't work.
I know, and she said, I'll call them. I'm serious. I got serious she was gonna punch me. That's why I called you.
Okay.
And I can't say this very often, but when that lady stood up here, I felt like she was gonna stab me down to the ground. So I'm like, but she went back to her room. I don't know if she's packing or not.
I doubt she's packing because she doesn't
she
have
has no
her car. Is that her BMW?
Yeah, but it starts. I don't know.
It starts, but it.
Because she had told me the same thing, that her car didn't.
She
work.
told us last night that she's trying to get it
for
fixed.
Some recalls one night. Okay, so she told me that. Right.
Well, if she's just waiting on a recall, she can drive it.
But that's the thing. So she told me that story. So I will let her use my car to go to a parole officer's appointment. So I let her use my car.
Yeah.
But then 2 days later, I told her that she was moving from this room to that room. She started the car right up and moved it there. So I think it's BS. I don't know. The car
After arriving at the woman's house to gather information, the officer then went to find the suspect to ask about what had happened in order to compare the accounts.
Why don't you have a toilet and shower that works?
Ask her. She's the landlady. I don't know. I'm not from Ohio. I just told you where my uncle's from.
Okay.
Sorry, Carlton. Shush. There are people.
Can you show me the receipt that you've paid for the next 4 days? Because she wants to give you a day, and then.
All right. Well, listen. I've got to hunt for the receipt, but I got the cash out of here, $200 out of here. Then the machine went out. I got another 160 over there. Gave her 350. Got 10 back, and I paid a few days ago. And I haven't had one shower since I've been in the room, sir.
And you've been
not
there 2
once.
weeks?
3. I'm sorry for yelling. Excuse me. I'm a loud, ignorant bitch. But I got a daddy, and his name is Michael Fleming, and you feel free to call him right now.
Well, she wants you to leave.
Okay.
But if you're paid
Fine.
up,
My car's broke down. My car is going to the shop. Shut the f up, motherfucker. I'm talking, Carlton, from the Fresh Prince. My car is due to get 2 recalls fixed on the 29th, which is 4 days from now.
The recalls shouldn't keep it from moving, though.
No, it's not.
Okay.
I'm not done. That's just what's getting fixed for free.
Okay.
Okay, my got to go in the shop for God knows how long, and then I'm going back to Atlanta, well, the outskirts of Atlanta, with my children and husband. I got 5 children, 1 grandbaby, and 1 on the way from a dumbass daughter that I'm just trying to get home to.
What brought you up this way?
My birth mother, Teresa, lives in Defiance, Ohio.
Gotcha.
I brought her up here when I lived in Cleveland years ago when I, with my husband. Well, shit didn't work out with her because she drinks too much, so she found her way to some homeless shelter here in Pass Center. And so I came up here 2 years ago. 1 month later, she calls the cops on me because I picked her dumbass 5'1" self up and scooted her across the kitchen so I could leave. And then she calls the Defiance police, and they take me to jail at work. And I was working at a freaking Wendy's, first job in my life at 36 years old. That's what landed me here, hon. Okay, for some free. I'm off probation. I had an awesome PO in Defiance, Meredith Brooks, and she let me off with good behavior, and we're good. I paid everything to these people. That crazy judge, they locked me up, said sorry and everything. He even said I'm a good girl. I'm not worried about this shit. That bitch is nuts. She be cussing in Spanish next to my room when I'm in the middle of the night trying to work. And what I do for a living is I'm a modern day whore. I basically do topless phone calls. That's it. Nothing below the belt. Nothing below the belt, and I'm quiet and respectful.
A while later, the officer returned to the woman's house to recount what the suspect had said, and it appeared there were inconsistencies between their statements.
BMW dealership in Toledo to get her car fixed, and she plans on going home. Okay? She said that she has paid you $350 for the next 4 days.
Where? How?
She said that it would take her time to find a receipt. If you have the paperwork that says that she is up today, but I told her I would talk to you to see if I could buy her more than 1 day so that she can get her car fixed and go back to Georgia.
Well, then she'll have to pay me money because her rent is due today.
Okay.
Her last... Oh, here, there she is. Okay, Jessica, where is her?
Yep, she said she gave you $350. But I think she said it was cash. Because she said she took $200 out at one gas station.
Cash. Okay, the receipts for the cash.
Okay.
But the very last one was on the Cash App, which is because these are gonna put her behind a whole week.
And another thing she said is she doesn't have a shower or a toilet in there. It doesn't work.
Her toilet works. I don't know why she keeps telling everybody that her toilet doesn't work. To me, I believe that she's trying to go into people's rooms to see what she can pick. Because she tried to come into my apartment when I was not here. The lady told her, she's not here, you cannot come in here. And she tried to force her way in. That's when I pulled up and I was like, hey, what are you doing in there? Get out of there. But the ladies told me that she's also tried the same thing in her rooms. And the only thing that doesn't work there is the hot water because my boiler went out. Which I've been trying to transfer people here. But she had, look, there's a sink, right? And it's one of those floating sinks.
Yep.
She sat on it. So she broke the whole, yes. So I came in there, I mounted the sink back up, I put a bucket underneath and I told her, give me a few days to get the plumbing, that was yesterday afternoon, give me the plumb so I could put it, but you can use the water because there's cold water, you can use the water to wash your hands. If not, room 8 right here, it's unlocked, I have fresh towels in there, you're more than welcome to go take a bath, go take a shower, wash your hands, whatever you want. I told her this like 2 hours ago because she kept trying to come in here. Well, after that, she's still trying to go into people's rooms to use the bathroom. That doesn't make sense.
So she said that you invited her over here because you wanted her to make slime for your kid.
Right, this was this morning, so I told her, look, today is too busy, we're not going to do it. If we do it, we'll do it in 8. Because the ladies here are cooking and whatnot. So please, either go to your room or go to room 8 and we'll do it there. But she keeps trying to come here. And a lot of my keys keep coming up missing from the thing where I had it there. There's no reason to go into my kid's room, but she keeps trying to push herself in there. So I removed the whole thing and put it in my room, And that's why I think now she's trying to use the bathroom. Because she knows they're in my room, and the only way to get to my room will be the bathroom. So it's just too much, and I don't need the stress, I don't need the drama. I prefer to have all my freaking rooms empty. I don't care. I don't want her here. I cannot.
Can you give her an extra day?
1 day, yeah.
After a thorough discussion, the officer managed to convince the homeowner to give the woman 1 day to leave, as her car had broken down. He then went to inform the woman of the arrangement, but her attitude seemed defiant, and it appeared she had no intention of leaving.
What's going on here with this stupid bitch?
Well, she's going to kick you out tomorrow.
Okay.
Okay, you have until tomorrow. End of story.
I don't have to leave, though.
Not today.
I don't have to leave tomorrow. She can't do shit.
Tomorrow you have to leave.
She can't do shit, though.
She can. We will trespass you.
That's it?
We will give you a trespass warning.
A misdemeanor?
And if you come back, you'll go to jail.
A misdemeanor? Thank you. Have a nice day, sir. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. I hope your wife is cooking something great for you, baby.
I'm telling you.
I know what you're saying, baby.
You have to go tomorrow.
I understand.
I'm not here trying to
What's
be
your
a dick.
name? Treese?
Yep.
Treese? Is that it?
That's my last name.
I'm going to say it to my dad.
Yep.
Treese. Officer Treese from Mount Pillier, right?
Yep.
All right, baby. See you. I see you. I hope
All
you
right.
have to come back out here.
I hope not.
I'm sorry. It's Thanksgiving.
I hope we don't have to come.
The officer was called once again by the landlord to handle the situation after the woman refused to leave the property.
I'm willing to give her whole $300 back if she just leaves tonight. I cannot. She
Well, the only way she can leave tonight is in handcuffs. Because her car can't go anywhere. It won't go more than 5 miles an hour.
She keeps coming here and getting in my face. She's trying to push her dog into my house so she can run in, right? I mean, I'm not like, she got on my face again, telling me that this is her property.
She pushed her way in earlier.
So the only way is that we gotta get her to punch me.
How did she cut herself?
She fell on her knees at the grocery store. She had 2 12-packs. She was bleeding.
I'm okay.
Bleeding in her hand, bleeding in her knee. That's a lot. And we both.
I saw
checked
the blood on her clothes earlier today.
We looked at our shoes. We looked at my dog's paws. And there's
the only way that she wanted it because I didn't think about it. I had her bring her dog here so the dog can hang out with the kids.
And then that's when she brought hers right in front again.
Yeah.
And she said she
keeps
was
doing
gonna kill mine.
Yeah, she keeps doing the same thing.
All right.
She brings her little.
The problem here is that someone's acting like a spoiled brat. Instead of getting out of the hotel, the woman chose to stay and escalate things to the point of no return.
You can come in, sir.
Come on in, guys. You guys go. Come on in. You guys all right? Come on in.
We're just having a conversation, hon. We're not
Oh, I
doing
know.
nothing bad. He
I know.
told me to stay in the room all night, and I agreed.
Okay.
We got a problem. What's up?
But you still walked by earlier and threatened to kill somebody's dog and then tried to push your way into their apartment. You've been in somebody else's room because your blood from your
camera, babe. I'm not.
Okay, I'm probably going to.
Crazy.
Okay, well, now you're going to leave and you're coming with me.
Where am I going?
You're going to jail.
There's no way.
Yes, you are.
For
Disorderly
what?
conduct persisting.
There's
Come on.
no way.
Yes, you are.
There's no way.
Yep.
There's no way.
Yep.
There's no way.
Because I'm not coming
There's
out
no
here
way.
and doing this again.
I'm not getting out of my bed. There's no
Well,
way.
you don't have to. We can do this the easy way or the hard
I
way.
haven't done nothing illegal. I'm drinking a beer on Thanksgiving with a friend.
I understand that. We were out here earlier today,
crazy
and I told you that you
Honey,
had
you
one
get
day.
up. No.
I told you you had one day.
No.
Okay? And now I've told you if I was called back out here, you weren't staying.
Okay, well, you did say that, but I've been a good girl, and I told him to protect me through the night.
No.
He said he would.
Well, you're coming with me now.
You're
Come
not
on.
going to put those handcuffs on me tight.
I won't put them on tight.
Okay, get away
Yep.
from me, bro.
No, he's here
No.
for. Yep.
No.
Here you go.
No. That's my cat. Okay.
We'll make sure it's taken care of. It's all right.
Are you f***ing serious, bro?
I'm
Let me get my
serious.
clothes on then, dude.
All
Take
right.
this off me and let me get my clothes on, please. Do not do me like that. That's stupid and ignorant. I'm not a stupid lame bitch. It's Thanksgiving,
Put your
bro.
clothes
I have
on.
not even eat dinner. Are you serious? Give me a breathalyzer. Give me a breathalyzer.
That doesn't mean
Give me a
anything.
goddamn breathalyzer.
Stop yelling at me.
Poker now.
Yep.
Let's go.
Yep, we're done.
If you want to act like that.
Yes, sir.
Put your pants on.
Get your goddamn hands off me.
Put your pants
Get
on.
your hands off of me. You I will put my clothes on.
Down.
Give me your arm.
I got this one.
Can you please put my pants on before you take me outside,
We
sir?
will.
Thank you. And my hoodie. And my hoodie. And who is this suit? S-U-Y-D-A-M. You. You gonna try to me up? You gonna try to boss me up? You don't know my kids. I got 5 kids and 2 grandbabies.
The hell does that have to do with
I
anything?
said, bitch. Yeah, you are. You
Okay.
lame ass.
All right. Sit down here on the bed.
No, him. He want to force me around like that? Get my slipper, bitch. Get my slipper, bitch. Get my slipper, bitch.
Sit down. Put your pants on.
Well, you gotta help me, because I'm in handcuffs. Well, you're not a bitch. He is. Officer Trace. Thank you, sir.
Stand
Pull
up.
my pants up above my ass. I need my slippers.
Put your slippers
My
on.
$75 Uggs. Bitch.
Sit down.
You bitch. I'm gonna put you on Facebook.
Go for it.
Yeah, you high yellow nigger. High yellow nigger. High yellow nigger. You 2023 bitch.
Couldn't hear you.
Yeah, my cop ass, I got an uncle that's a state trooper in Dallas. bed. You fucking bitch. You probably get your up by horse. I should spit on you.
Let's go.
But I won't.
The woman faced charges for trespassing due to her refusal to leave the property and disorderly conduct for causing a disturbance and threatening the landlord. Her uncooperative and defiant behavior contributed to the escalation of the situation. Everyone has their opinion, and the viewers who commented below this video are no exception. Please remove that poor dog from her. Justice for Carlton. Set him free. The cop commiserating with Carlton is hilarious. This case has shown us that refusing to leave private property, when asked especially while causing a disturbance, can lead to legal trouble. What do you think about these Karens? We're excited to hear your thoughts, and please subscribe to Urban Law to keep up with this case and more updates.